So, allegedly, this video is going to be out on the correct day. Just missed by about 2 minutes yesterday. But yes, it's the third day of the tea, and we have milk this time. Oh, yes. Oh, the cubes are falling about. This is the interesting thing about this. There's nothing to keep the cubes in place, so they just kind of shuffle around. Three's down here on the bottom. Any guesses?
Tea. Am I right?
It's a tea that says no milk. Ooh. Today we'll be trying buttermint.
Ooh.
So I'm back from the hot water and the tea bags and the... Ooh.
Leaving.
So it's had the 4 minutes to steep. It smells like it's one that would benefit from some milk, but it just...
They said no milk.
They said no milk, and I'm curious about this one. It smells like, buttermintos?
No.
Mori mints?
No.
The little yellow ones that are really hard until they're not. Oh. That's disappointing. But yeah, it smells exactly like them. It's,
I'm getting a bit of a Werther's smell.
I mean, I suppose the Werther's adjacent. I mean, to someone that doesn't know what a butterminto is, I can see how you say Werther's, but it is a butterminto more than a Werther.
Oh, that's very nice, that.
Oh.
Oh.
See, couldn't smell it, but I can actually taste the apple that was on something. I've left the ingredients over there. Bear with me while I go and grab the cube. Oh. Talk amongst yourselves. Or don't, I guess. What have I done with it? There it is.
So anyway, sports.
I didn't even fly through the shots.
You've knocked over the mountain of iron brew cans. All they're going to hear is a clang.
Hey, hello there. There's my tea. Oi, it's over there. Oh, okay, fine. It's yours then.
So in this one there is peppermint apple pieces, rose hip, fenugreek, and natural flavouring.
You can taste the apple. You can't smell the apple, but that is lovely.
That is really nice. Wait. So, rating. I'd give this a 9. I know it's very early to bringing out a 9, but...
I'm hovering around 8.5. In fact, you know what? I'm going to disappear again. I need to know what this is like with milk in, because I don't think I believe them.
Oh, he's about to ruin the tea.
Oh, allegedly.
So anyway, politics.
Sore subjects.
Yeah.
Milk. Yeah, that's milk. From Sainsbury's, don't you know?
Yeah, I do know, it says it on it.
Oh, good. Right, over there. Ooh. I think I'm right. I think they're wrong.
No, I think this is... I think milk would make it too heavy. I quite like the light flavour of this.
That's true. I mean...
No, let's have a try of
Oh,
that.
hello.
Nah, that's too hot.
Brilliant. Behind the scenes, this one has a splash of cold water in his.
Don't like hot tea.
Wrong.
When I'm having my coffee at work, I always leave it sit for about 10 minutes before drinking it. Well, I might have tea at work now.
Maybe. Yeah, no, I think I can call that an 8.5.
I'm sticking with 9, even without the milk there. That is...
Interesting.
Like, I could quite happily have... I mean, I've just finished that, and I could quite happily have another cup.
Well, I guess we'll be getting some of that in then.
Yeah?